What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. As you see, he's still rocking the Nissan, so that means the Transit is still broken. So let's check him out, see what he's got. Come on. Joe, you got this thing loaded down.
Backseat too. So hey guys, how y'all doing? Like always, my wife always like, why you always bring me in this? I go, because you're always first on my mind. But yeah, she's always doing a little better, and that's good. Yeah. I always find ways to frustrate her to test when her speech all goes out, and they go, why is it you gotta raise your voice when you talk to me? You don't do that to nobody else. But I guess that's my job. But no, she does good. She's doing good. She appreciates all the well-being, all the messages, because there's times I'll get a message, I'll play it, and you know, everybody seems to mention, you know, how's your wife doing, right, or, you know, good wishes to her, and I mean, it's incredible. So,
well, hang on.
Okay.
I noticed it's cool today.
It's cool today.
And you got on the...
I got on the Milwaukee jacket, but you know it's not on.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, they're plenty warm, but believe me, I'm about ready to turn it on. But so I get her out. We're running around. And I have to look. Only because I want to make sure I get this right. There are some things you just got to get right. So we get back, and we've been busy, and you know, we're kind of, you know, we passed lunch and everything else, but you know, FedEx drops off, and I look, and uh-oh, what did I do wrong? I get a box back from Hawaii. You know, I was so excited to send a couple packages to Hawaii, but Mr. Ernest Jacinto, and I'm sorry if I get your Jacinto, if I get your name wrong, I'm sorry. I apologize for that. But you know what he did? He said Judy and me a bunch of stuff from the islands that's all macadamia nut, all stuff you don't get here on the mainland, I guess you would say. And it was very cool. We got some, you know, some different kinds of cookies and some coffee, and man, I'm telling you, I thanked him right away. I says, you know, we drove into this stuff right off, and it was good.
That's awesome.
It was very awesome. It's nice to get that little Christmas card, and
yeah, I had
best wishes to Judy was right in there.
A guy sent me some coffee and a Yeti bottle holder from Hawaii. It was really cool. Huh?
Yes, it was nice getting and seeing some of that. And you know, I sent out all those wrench extenders, and I put a Joe's All-Star sticker in each package. So that was, you know, just a little something I did.
Cool.
I got the bucket of cash, and we're going to lead into something with that too, but just because we're going to. Most of these have the white tag with it, but we got Mr. Andy Brooks for one.
Mm-hmm.
We have Charles Brady for one.
For those of you that don't understand the bucket of cash, the reason why Joe does it, it don't matter if it's here, if you purchase from him off the truck or you order off the internet. When you pay $100 on your bill or give him $100, you get credit for $100, and then he takes $1 out of his pocket or out of his profit, and he writes your name on it. Show how you wrote the name on it. And then he puts it in the bucket, and once the bucket's full, he draws out, and whosever name he gets, that's who wins the bucket of cash. And you see he's kept up
I've
with
been
it
doing this for years.
For a long time.
I keep tearing them off, redoing them, but
so it may be 317 or 353 or 310. Who knows? Whenever he decides to draw the bucket of cash, the winner gets the whole wad of money.
I try to make sure it's full enough to be worthwhile to get it.
There you go.
So, and I'm waiting for one of you guys to win it. I'm not going to send a big wad of cash through the mail, but you have credit for getting something else.
You should just put quarters.
Quarter.
Send them a box of quarters.
Yeah, a box of quarters. You know, you pay a
200-pound
lot. You
box
pay
of
a lot on weight on shipping. But here, we have Mr. Robert Bates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No slip. He didn't buy anything from me. You know what he did? He just sent me a check for $500. Didn't buy anything yet. He did order something, but
Yeah.
he tells me, he says, when his account gets down to 100, let him know he'll send another check.
Wow.
Now, Mr. Robert Bates is from, he operates Boar's Head, Windy City Provisions.
Cool.
So he also sent me a bunch of salami, bunch of condiments and stuff. On top of this, first he ordered, he wanted to get something from me. I said, sure, I can do that. And then he says, well, I'll just send you a check. I said, wait till I get it to you. He says, oh, no, that's all right. You're going to get used to dealing with me. He says, I'm not like you. Whoops, I wasn't going to put these in here till you order something, but I'm going to keep them on file. But anyways, and I have a message for you, Mr. Clay, when we get off there from him as well.
Cool.
But it's very cool.
Well, I know this.
We do have some
I don't
food.
know what all boarhead bakes, but I've had boarhead cheese.
Cheese,
And it is-
and there's meats, salamis. Man, I got enough salami.
I had
I told him, I says, man, it's like dessert. He says, sorry, Joe, there's no dessert in there. I says, for me, meat and cheese, that's dessert. That's food.
well, I had the smoked Gouda is what we buy at Kroger, and man,
yes,
it is
I'm telling
good
you.
stuff.
It is good stuff. It's great stuff. So we're just going to plop this in here.
Tool time.
We have
Gearwrench
bolt biters. Now this is the big 28-piece set.
Yep.
I got one guy who's been waiting for these to get here. He keeps asking me if I'm sleeping, waiting for them to get here, but they got here.
Finally here.
So I can work on the shipping and give them a total on the price and all that.
Okay.
But it'll be tomorrow.
Cool.
Because I'll know what the shipping and everything
It'll
is.
probably be pretty high. That's pretty heavy.
Well, it's the other tools that go with this. So we got them. That's what I was waiting on.
Cool. They work too.
I don't get time to sleep. Come on.
Them things work.
Wait, I forgot already. 28 piece, $2.90.
$2.90. There's your part number for you Gearwrench lovers, but those do work extremely well. And for those that don't know, like it'll be in this set's a 3/8 and a quarter. These are all your quarter sizes. Of course, go on the bottom like a regular socket, but you can use a wrench on them in tight areas, so those work.
I got a Milwaukee soldering gun kit.
Yeah.
Comes with the battery, the charger, comes with the case.
Was it a 1.5 amp battery? Yeah.
It's a 2.
Oh, it's a 2.
No, it says 1.5. I thought it was a 2. I didn't even think they threw 1.5s in there anymore, but
Okay.
that's what it comes with. It comes with different tips, and
Yep.
these are 212 for the kit.
Okay. 212. Those work pretty good too. I've got one of them and I like it.
They do. They got hot fast. They tell you when they're cool.
They have a 3-step mobile pivoting head. You push the button and it'll be there, or straight up. It's really nice. Really nice. The light turns green when it's red and it stays, or when it's hot and it stays red until it cools off to put it in the case.
Yep. Now this one guy, he's getting this for his wife. She does a lot of arts and crafts, but they keep getting cheap drills. She buys cheap drills, keeps having to throw them away. He buys a lot of Milwaukee stuff. He says he's getting her this for Christmas.
There you go.
It's
That's
an
a good
M12. It's the 1/2 inch. This one comes with a 4.0 and a 2.0 battery.
That's a good one.
It's fuel. It's got everything in it. It's $275.
$275.
Now, even the M12, the 4.0 batteries is to 4 amp hour to 6 amp hour batteries, they have a 3-year warranty on them.
The tool's 5 and the battery's 3, right?
532.
Can't beat that.
So, And there's over 300 tools that work with these batteries.
Cool, cool, cool. What's that Milwaukee slogan you love to say?
Nothing but heavy duty. Nothing but heavy duty. Talking hunting, we did, I think we got pretty well covered. I thank everybody for everything. And oh yeah, so they ordered me a new transmission Tuesday.
Uh-oh.
3 weeks. I thought that was pretty good. And then Thursday, Ford headquarters calls them and says they want them to do a full 100% tear down so they can send an inspector there just to delay things even longer. Ford likes me. I'm just going to say that with a smile. So next year, maybe I'll have a truck.
I think a Peterbilt would look good on you.
Yeah.
Just gonna throw that out there.
Anything would. I'm thinking C4 under my truck would look pretty good right now too. But
you ain't kidding.
so anybody has a line on C4, don't really tell me, but do tell me.
I don't want to be involved in any. Cut that. I'm just kidding.
If I don't get to see you, because we'll be seeing our kids and grandkids, wish you a very Merry Christmas, you and your families, and great New Year ahead, and we'll keep rolling.
There we go.
See you on the flip side.
All right, guys, like always, if you need anything from Joe, his number's right down here at 731-412-7295. Shoot him a text message, and he'll get back with you. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Check over here for merchandise, code tools, and discount codes in the description. Hey, if you're not subscribed, it don't cost you anything. You just take your finger and you press that button. Y'all have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya.